We all know these dangerous situations. A vehicle in a blind spot, one of the most common causes of accidents on the road. Here, Blind Spot Collision Avoidance Assist significantly reduces the risk of collision. In the event of a lane change, visual warnings in the instrument cluster and audible warnings in the passenger compartment indicate a possible collision. If the driver nevertheless changes the lane, the BCA performs an active lane-correcting brake intervention to keep the vehicle in its lane. But first, let's start from the beginning. The vehicle is equipped with two radar sensors at the rear, left and right, respectively under the taillights. These radar sensors measure the position, distance, and speed difference between one's current speed and the speed of other moving vehicles. As soon as a vehicle is in a blind spot, a red warning symbol appears in the corresponding exterior mirror. If the driver now activates the turning indicator and there is a potential risk of collision when changing lanes, an acoustic warning signal is emitted in the passenger compartment. In addition, the warning symbol flashes in the exterior mirror. If the driver changes lanes despite the warnings, the BCA can mitigate a potential collision by applying the side brakes, guiding the vehicle back into the original lane. The BCA is active between 60 and 200 km per hour. For the proper BCA operation, lane markings must be detected by the front camera. The system also supports our customers when exiting longitudinal parking spaces. We call this new function BCA Parallel Exit. Let's run through the scenario together. If the customer has switched on driving mode D, pulls out of a parking space at a speed of up to 3 km per hour, and has turned his steering wheel into the direction of departure, the BCA can also activate the brakes in case of possible collision with an oncoming vehicle traveling faster than 5 km per hour is detected. Blind Spot Collision Avoidance Assist, our radar system without any visual obstruction.